Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, children. So last class we were discussing about public healthcare and the private healthcare system. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay. So children, what is public healthcare system?
The hospitals run by the government.
hospitals and health
Okay.
centers run by the government.
It is a chain of hospitals and health centers
Healthcare.
run by the
Centers.
government.
The government.
Okay, it is a chain of hospitals and health centers run by the government. Okay, and the aim of the government, okay, is to provide quality health care services. Okay, the aim of the aim of the government government is to provide quality health care services. Okay, and the government is trying its maximum to prevent epidemics. Okay, to prevent epidemics. Okay, and those who are very poor, the government is trying to give quality healthcare facilities. Yeah, Benedict.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, today you are here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So it is meant by public healthcare system. Listen. Healthcare types. There are mainly two types of healthcare. Okay, that is
Private and public.
Private and public healthcare centers.
Public, private and public. And private, okay, it is not owned or run by the government.
Government.
Okay, it is not owned or run by the government. That you mean by private healthcare. Okay, and public, okay, it is
Public means
chain
it
of
is run.
hospitals.
Public it is a chain of health centers and hospitals
Run
by the
by the
government.
Government.
Okay, is it
Government.
clear? These 2 points are
Yes.
clear to you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
ma'am.
because the private hospital, it is controlled or managed by a wealthy section of people or an individual or a group of people or by an institute.
Partners.
Okay, and public hospital, it is run by the government. Okay, and the aim of the government is to provide quality healthcare services either free or at low cost. Okay, the facilities are either it would be free. Okay, we do not pay, needed to pay any money. Okay, or either when some test and all, okay, it is sometimes it is low cost, only less money, only some money we need to pay for the services in a private public healthcare system. Okay, then we have already discussed that it is a chain of health centers. Okay, so we could see in the rural areas, let me change the pen color, children. Okay, so in rural areas, that means in the villages and district level and then cities. Okay, so it is a chain of government, health centers and hospital. Do you remember that point?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is a chain of hospitals and government. That means in the rural areas, that means in the villages, we can see health centers. Okay, rural areas, we can see health centers. I have told you in and around your ward or locality. Okay, we could see one health center and one nurse and a health yes, health worker. Okay, one health worker, children. Some people are coming to our home. No, some days some people are coming to our home and they were giving some tablets.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Chlorine for
Immunity booster.
Tank. We have to put in the tank.
These people were the health workers. They were treated as health workers. Okay, so usually in rural areas, that means in villages, we can see health centers. Okay, and a nurse and a health worker is working under the supervision of a doctor. A doctor is occasionally visiting this health center. He is giving instruction to this nurse and the village worker. Okay, so these people, okay, manage the areas. Means they were dealing with many villages. Okay, one health center, it covers many villages. Is it clear, children, about primary
Yes.
health center?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
a village area, okay, there is primary health center, and we could see one nurse, health worker working under the supervision of a doctor.
Doctor.
Okay, and they are dealing with common illness. Okay, and also vaccines. They are giving vaccines to those people, those who are living in that locality, medicines, vitamin tablets. Okay, and all they were providing to the people of that village. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, so we have just discussed, it is a chain. Okay, so rural areas, health centers, and in the district level, we can see district hospitals. Okay, district level, we can see district hospital, and these
Ma'am, in rural areas it is?
primary health centers.
Primary health care.
Yeah, health centers. And district means level, district hospitals, and these hospitals supervises all health centers. Yeah, that means this primary health centers is supervised by the district hospitals. They are providing assistance to them. Means the district hospital providing assistance to the primary health centers. Just remember this, children. Primary health centers, district hospitals.
And what is PHC?
Primary health center.
Ma'am, like government itself.
Yeah, yes. Then district hospitals and big hospitals in cities. This is the chain of the government hospitals. Okay, so village level, primary health centers, district level, district hospitals, and we can see
Supervisors,
Yeah.
all
big
healthcare centers.
hospitals in the cities. See, we discussed about Aman and Ranjan. Do you remember?
Yes,
children
Yes.
who were studying in the same class, and they were consulting that poor boy. He was consulted in a
Public hospital.
Public hospital.
hospital, that is
Government
big hospitals.
Yes.
It was very big. The hospital he went to consult, it was very big, but it was crowded. Okay, the same way. So the district hospital supervises all health centers. Okay, and in big cities, we can see many hospitals.
Hospital.
Big cities, yes, there is many hospitals, many government hospitals, specialized hospitals. Specialized hospitals also we can see in cities. Means specialized in any diseases like cardiac or any other specialized hospitals we can see in the cities. My dear children, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
So rural areas, primary health
Primary healthcare centers.
health centers in and around our area that is providing many medicines. Okay, and there could be there would be one nurse, one
Work.
health
Doctor and
worker
healthcare workers.
working under the supervision of a doctor.
Doctor.
Okay, and in the district level,
District hospital.
District
okay,
hospital.
they are supervising the health
All health centers.
Yes,
and in cities we can see many
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 hospitals.
hospitals and
Yes,
specialized hospitals.
Specialized
Okay,
hospitals.
is this chain of hospitals, is it clear to you children?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then government hospital. We just discussed that. Okay, it is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare services to the people of that country. Okay, so the government, it is trying its maximum to fulfill the needs of the people. Okay, because we know that the poor people with their limited income. Okay, while we discussed about Aman, his father was struggling, means he have very limited income, so he was struggling to meet all the expenses. We know that when you can ask your parents, okay, if we calculate the amount we have spent in 1 month for education, okay, then for medicines and for food, for clothing, okay, every month they need to spend a huge money, right? For
Yes,
yeah. Okay, so if the income is limited, children, what will be their condition?
Poor, no money.
Yes, poor people with their limited income, they could not afford the expenses that is charged by the private hospital, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So that was the only reason why Aman has consulted in a public hospital. Okay, if his father is rich like Ranjan's father, sure he would visit
go to
a
private hospital.
private hospital. Okay, and he would get a better treatment. Okay, there everything was delayed in a government hospital. Everything was delayed. Okay, and he got his medicine only after 3 days. His blood test result he got after 3 days, and the medicine also he have got only after a few days only. Okay, so children, the problem, that is the real problem we are facing too, but the responsibility of the government hospital is to prevent the spread of diseases. Now we are experiencing that, right?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
government is trying its maximum to prevent the epidemics, corona. Okay, and here it's their duty to prevent diseases, epidemics like tuberculosis, TB, malaria, jaundice, cholera, okay, diarrhea, chikungunya, all these epidemics. Okay, it is the government duty to prevent. See, children, during the rainy seasons, these health workers are often coming to our home. Do you remember? During
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
and they are giving to clean our area, to clean our surroundings. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
mosquitoes do not breed. Do you remember? Have you seen it?
Yes.
also don't. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
yes.
Chlorine.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we are
ma'am.
providing chlorine to clean our water, okay, from the well, and also some medicines they were giving to prevent such epidemics. Okay, some vitamin tablets and all. And see, children, nowadays, I think for corona also, from government hospitals, they are providing some immunity tablets, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is the government responsibility to provide some services to the people, mostly to the poor section of the society. Okay, because with their limited income, they cannot, means it's not affordable to for them to spend a huge amount for the things related to their health. Okay, so the government hospitals is trying to prevent the spread of epidemics. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Then, what are the responsibilities of a government? Okay, the first one we have.
I should write this.
Yeah, just note down the points. Okay, the responsibility of the government. The first point we have discussed. Okay, to provide quality healthcare services to all citizens, even to the poor and disadvantaged. Children, these 2 points no need to write now. That we will discuss later. Only the first point you need to write. Okay, that is these 2 points are there in the textbook, but not now. Okay, we will discuss it later. So the responsibility of the government is to provide quality healthcare services to all citizens, even to poor and disadvantaged. We know that the midday meal scheme has introduced by the government. Okay,
Yes.
why the government introduced this scheme?
To
Uh,
increase the amount of
Because
children in the school.
student,
Because the poor people, mostly the children from the poor family, they are not attending the
Attending
schools
the
they came
regularly.
without eating food.
Yes. Okay, and also if they were coming to school, means if they come the school, they will leave the school before noon. Okay, and they won't come back. Okay, and when the midday meal scheme has introduced, their attendance began improved. Many of the children from the poor family began to enroll into the school. Is it?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
these children, they can't concentrate their class because they were starving. Okay,
but in some schools for LP only they'll give, right?
is it?
From
No,
some
ma'am.
schools.
No.
Most of the
Ma'am.
schools, I think it is free to
Ma'am.
all children. Yeah.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
and
In our area, and all till UP only it is there. High school they are not giving.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
And also children, I think they are providing some things also, I think. Egg, milk,
Yes. Egg
then
and
also
milk.
rice.
Ma'am,
Rice they are providing and
Yes,
at special
it is free,
occasion.
ma'am.
In our school is there, right?
Ma'am, in our
Only for LKG and LKG.
government school,
Our
same
school
thing.
LKG, yes, egg is there, but it is
For
not free.
LKG students.
Huh?
For LKG and UKG.
Hostels.
But
Our
it is
school.
not free, right? But in government schools, it is free, I think. Egg.
Yes. Every day they will
Not
get one
free.
bottle of
Not
milk.
free. Rice is raw rice. It is given to them. Some occasions as free.
1 month, one time they will get like that.
Yes. The same. Okay, so the government is trying to bring all these children, because they are poor. Okay, we just you think about means a man, okay, a daily worker, means a daily wager. Sometimes he's getting below 1,000 rupees. Just you imagine. Okay, and only some days he is working. Okay, if he have a regular income, if he is getting 1,000 rupees every day in a month, it is quite okay. But sometimes it is not fixed. Only some days, sometimes he is working. So with that limited money, okay, he need to manage. Okay, he need to manage the whole expenses.
Of the family.
Okay, so mostly the children from the poor family, mostly the people from the poor family is being affected. Okay, so it's the government, it is the duty of the government to bring all children, means to all people, those who are poor and disadvantaged. Okay, is it clear, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then, so the question we have discussed, what is private health service? What is private health services, children? It's not
honored
or controlled by the
Government.
okay, it is not on
Or controlled by the government.
okay, it is owned by a wealthy person or a group of person or institution. Okay, some hospitals are under any institution. Have you means Amrita, Amrita Medical Trust. Okay, they are not a single. It is under trust. It is under a trust. Right.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Private healthcare services, it is not owned or controlled by the government. Facilities are very high. Okay, there we could get high facilities, but we
People
need
pay
A
a
lot
lot
of
of money
to pay lot of money for
for
every
every
service.
service used.
For each and every minute services, we need to pay a lot of money.
Large amount of money.
Yes. Okay, so the private health services, it is not owned or controlled by the government. Okay, people pay a lot of money
For every service
services they
used.
Okay, well, we studied about Ranjan. He was rich family. He have told that reception counter. We know that we are visiting the private hospitals, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we know that our mother means while you are going with your parents, they are taking money and giving, taking money and giving for even small test. Okay, blood test. Or means if it is not so serious also means if it is okay also they will suggest many tests and also many medicines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
For a fever.
One blood test they will buy 100 rupees and all, but in government hospitals only 20 rupees will be there.
20
Ma'am,
yeah.
ma'am, in when I went to my hospital, for blood test it totally become more than 1,000 rupees.
More than 1,000. Okay, see that is the
Vitamin D test only, ma'am. For this calcium and all became more than 1,000.
More than 1,000. See, my sister, I went along with my sister, and one single means she has some problems. Okay, but means the cost of his test more than 2,000. All the tests means from I don't know how many tests they have prescribed, and no problem was there. She has no problem. After when the result got, there was means she has no problem. But for the means single blood test, okay, it costs more than 2,000.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Also, ma'am, 1,500.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
for cutting the plaster of my leg also it cost more than 4,000 rupees. For cutting the plaster.
Ah, yes, yes. Where you have done it?
Guru Dharma Hospital in Mala.
Mala. Yes. And children,
Online shopping.
okay, children. So it's the time to leave the class. Okay, we'll have one more
Thank you,
period.
ma'am.
Thank you, 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 ma'am.